Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? In this video I'm gonna show you that how can you use banking apps on rooted phone. I have made many videos for rooting mobile phones, but this is the first video that will show you that how can you tackle problems after rooting. Banking apps that are the basic requirements of the daily life cannot be used on a rooted phone. But in this video I'll show you that how can you use banking apps. Before starting the video, kindly subscribe our channel, then press the bell icon and select all the notifications for our channel. First of all, let me show you that my mobile phone is rooted. And here you can see on root checker that my mobile phone is rooted properly. And now let me show you that the apps, especially banking apps, are not working properly. For that purpose, I'll test JazzCash mobile app, which is a banking app for mobile phones. And here you can see that this app is not compatible with your mobile phone. So let's start the trick.
If you are using Magisk Manager Canary, then you need to go exactly like me. But if you are using Magisk Manager Simple, you need to find the similar settings like me in your Magisk Manager. The settings will be quite similar but at different places.
Go to your Magisk Manager and here click on the settings. Go down, here you will see a Magisk hide. Click OK and hide your Magisk. But this will not work properly. Here you can also change the name and hide Magisk Manager, but that isn't of much use for the banking apps. Banking apps cannot still work properly. So go back and here you will see a shield. Click on that. Here you can see the apps that have been granted root access. At top you see a Magisk hide option. Click on that and here you will see a list of apps that have been installed on your mobile phone. Choose those apps which you want to hide root from. I will select JazzCash app here and it would no more access root authority and accessibility. And I'll also select root checker basic so that you can confirmly say that the apps will work after this trick. Now close Magisk and open root checker and here click verify root. Here you can see that root has not been properly installed, which means this trick is working. Now let's open our JazzCash and confirm that this is a working trick or not. And here you see that the registration window has been opened and our app is working properly, and all the banking apps like JazzCash, MobiCash and Mizan Bank, Alfala Bank or any other bank that might be a Google Pay app or anything, that will be working perfectly inshallah after this trick. At last, summarizing the whole topic, for those apps which you want to hide the root, just go to your Magisk Manager and in the bottom down corner just choose the shield next to the home button, and at the top of the list you can see Magisk hide option and choose those apps which you want to hide. Watching my video. If you like it, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video to your friends. Allah Hafiz.